Now there's a water heater intelligent enough to tell you before there's a problem. Eliminate emergencies and downtime with built-in smart monitoring technology, the only integrated leak detection and prevention system in the market, and a factory-installed auto shutoff valve. Triton comes with a suite of built-in premium performance features, including Rheem's EcoNet smart monitoring technology with systematic health monitoring, performance updates, and alerts via mobile device and full-color LCD display. It offers ongoing self-monitoring of the unit's most vital components, such as tank life and the combustion system. The unit's health status can be monitored via the full-color LCD display or via mobile device. The EcoNet system can send mobile notifications to owners and their plumbers as the unit requires preventative maintenance, which enables contractors to establish ongoing service contracts and provide consistent maintenance that extends the life of the tank. Also, BACnet MSTP is built in to ensure seamless integration with BMS building management systems. Rheem's built-in patent-pending LeakSense is the most accurate leak detection system in the market. LeakSense catches leaks as small as a grain of sand and provides real-time leak notification. Rheem's factory-installed Leak Guard offers the only all-inclusive leak detection and prevention system in the market and includes an auto shutoff valve. The auto shutoff valve is factory installed to ensure correct alignment and accuracy. It's activated once a leak is detected. The leak sensor is located in the bottom pan, allowing gravity to do the rest. As water collects in the bottom pan, it trips the sensor. Rheem designed the system so that it won't detect water from the top, which prevents false positive signals from condensation or cleaning. To set up, simply enter operational hours. If a leak is detected during business, the user will get an alert via the control panel and mobile app. During off hours, Triton will automatically turn off the water. Leak Guard contains leaks so that no more than 24 ounces of water escapes the tank. The auto shutoff valve can easily be opened via the mobile app or the control panel to allow operation until a replacement can be installed. Finally, a top-quality commercial water heater intelligent enough to detect and prevent problems before they occur.